Universal, we make movies and then bring them to life. We created a T-Rex and then we made him real. We invented a time machine, then traveled back in time. The Grinch stole Christmas. Then we brought it back. We discovered a mummy. What? Then took you into his tomb. Visit Universal theme parks around the world and experience the thrill. Ride the movie. Live the adventure. There's no other place on earth that takes you into the movies like Universal. If it happens on the big screen, it comes to life at Universal. Universal Entertainment. Universal Excitement. To book your Universal theme park vacation in Hollywood or Orlando, call toll-free 1-888-328-4364.